welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today we're going to be making a new dish. It's a twist on an old classic recipe. So if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Hola mis cariños, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Hoy les traigo una receta muchas conocen, pero con un twist. So si quieres ver, no te vayas. Para los ingredientes necesitamos son 2 pechugas de pollo cocida, 4 tazas de mojo casero, un limón verde, una cebolla cortada en juliana, 3 dientes de ajo, perejil, aceite de oliva, 2 cucharadas de sazón completa y sal y pimienta a gusto. For the ingredients, I'm using 2 boiled chicken breasts. I'm using a 1/4 cup of homemade mojo. And if you want to know how to make that, I have a video on it, and I'll leave a link below. I'm using 1 lime. I'm using onions cut in julienne style, along with 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using some dry parsley, but you can use fresh. I'm also using some dry ingredients. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of sazón completa, homemade, salt and pepper to taste. And lastly, I'm using olive oil. El primer paso es desmenuzar la pechuga de pollo con 2 tenedores o hacerlo con las manos. Me gusta desmenuzarlas finitas con mis manos. Para mí es mucho mejor y más rápido. So the first step is to shred your chicken, and you can shred it either with 2 forks, like I'm showing you here, and when you shred them, you want to shred them as thin as you want it. For me, I like to shred my chicken very thin. But in your case, if you want to shred it thicker, you can. You can also use your hands, and I prefer using this method because it's much quicker and I can control the size of the strips. Si prefieras, puede comprar pollo ripiado o desmenuzado en la tienda. If you prefer to skip this whole step, you can buy chicken shredded in the store. And what I'm going to do with the mojo is basically just drizzle it around. I'm just going to try to stir this up a little bit to mix everything together. And this mojo is going to give the chicken a really nice Caribbean flavor. So don't skip this step. Este mojo le dará al pollo un rico sabor caribeño. Así que no olvide hacer este pasito. So now you want to mix your chicken with all of the mojo so it can absorb all of the delicious yumminess from the naranja agria, which is the sour orange, the garlic, the oregano, and the cumin. Okay, mezcla todo el pollo muy bien para absorber todo eso rico sabor caribeño de naranja agria, ajo, comino y orégano. Y déjalo reposar durante 15 o 20 minuticos. Next, you want to preheat your pan. You want it to be really, really hot so that when the chicken goes in the pan, it will start to fry as soon as it hits the pan. Okay, ya es hora de freír el pollo. Tu sartén deberá estar muy, muy caliente. So now I'm going to add my chicken, and I like to add the chicken before I add the onions. I don't like to overcook my onions, so I like a little crunch to my onions, so that's why I'm adding the chicken first, and then I'm going to add the onions last. Okay, así que empiezo friendo el pollo primero y después agrego las cebollas porque me gustan mis cebollas crujientes y no muy cocinadas. After you add your chicken to the pan, you want to add your dry seasoning to your chicken and mix really well. Chicken breast has a tendency to be really bland, so you want to make sure that everything is coated and it's flavored to your liking. Después de poner el pollo en la sartén, echa su condimento seco y incorpóralo muy bien porque el pechuga de pollo está aburrido y soso. Y en este punto, pruébalo para ver si necesita añadir algo más. So you want to make sure your chicken is spread throughout the pan evenly and leveled, so that it can fry evenly at the bottom. And ladies, do not be tempted to stir this because I know you're going to want to stir this, but this is not stir-fried chicken. It's vaca frita de pollo, chicken vaca frita. So let it sit for about 8 to 10 minutes and then flip it, and the bottom will be crispy. Permite el pollo a freír alrededor 5 minutos más o menos o hasta que estén crocante y entonces voltealo. Este plato, vaca frita de pollo, se supone es un poco crujiente como la receta original. So now it's time to add the garlic. I'm adding 3 garlic cloves, minced, and then along with that I'm adding 1 onion julienne cut. And like I said earlier, I don't like to add the onions in first. I like to add the onions last because I like to still have a crunch to my onion. Ahora voy a echar 3 dientes de ajo picado y una cebolla cortada en juliana. Como dije antes, me gusta añadir la cebolla última para mantener la crujidad. So next I'm going to add in some parsley and lime juice. Siguiente, voy a añadir un poco de perejil y zumo de limón verde y mezclar todo juntos. So now my chicken vaca frita is ready, and I'm going to have it with white rice and black beans along with sweet plantains. But this dish is really easy to make and it goes well with anything. Ok, ya está lista. Miren qué rica. Esta receta es muy fácil y muy rápido para hacer. Me gusta servirlo con arroz, frijoles negros y maduros, pero es perfecto con cualquier cosa. And here is my delicious chicken vaca frita. This dish is a quick dish to make and it's really yummy. So I hope you guys try it. And if you want to see how to make regular vaca frita, I'll leave a link below. Well guys, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on the side so you don't miss out on any videos. Bueno chicas, aquí tiene mi rica vaca frita de pollo. Como pueden ver, es bien rápido y bien fácil para hacer. Bueno, es hora para irme. Gracias por verme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y deja un comentario abajo. Si quieres ver más videos como esto, suscríbete a mi canal y haz la campana para no perderte mis videos. Sígueme en Instagram y mi grupo de Facebook se llama Cooking the Cuban Way. Nos vemos. Hasta la próxima.